Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about triple integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. So the integration of dz, we have z and we put the bounds form number 2 with the square root of x squared plus y squared to 1 plus x squared plus y squared. So this one I will put in here and this one I will put in here, and now we have like this. The next one we can use about polar coordinates. So that is about x equals to r cosine theta and y equals to r sine theta. dy dx equals to r dr d theta, and the next one x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. Now we need to consider the bounds. So we have dy, so y between negative of the square root of 1 minus x squared and the square root of 1 minus x squared. About x, that is from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Now we need to consider about this one. So we put the power number 2 for the both sides and we have like this. So I will put this one go to the left. And this one, that is about the circle. So now we can draw the circle in here. So we can see that the bounds between the negative of the square root of 1 minus x squared and the positive square root. So that is about positive square root and negative square root. The next one from negative number 1 to positive number 1. So that should be in here. Here. That means we need to consider on the circle. And now we need to change the bounds. So this one we change by r squared. Similar for this one. dy dx we change for r dr d theta. About dr, that should be about from 0 to number 1 because the radius of the circle equals to number 1. d theta, so we start in here and we go in here. That is from 0 to 2b, and we have the integration from 0 to 2b. Now we need to simplify this one. So the square root of r square, we have r, and now this r will multiply by this one, and this one. The integration of r, we have r square over number 2. This one, we have r to the power of 4 over 4. This one, we have r to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So number 1, I will put this one gone here. Number 0, I will put this one gone here. So we calculate this one, and we have 1 over 12. The integration of this one, we have theta over 12. The bounds from 0 to 2b. And now we have the final answer. And that is about b over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.